So now we're gonna see a short example of do while repetition statement. The do while repetition statement is similar to the while statement. In the while, the program tests the loop continuation condition at the beginning of the loop before executing the loop's body. If the condition is false, the body never executes. The do while statement tests the loop continuation condition after executing the loop's body. Therefore, the body always executes at least once. When a do while statement terminates, execution continues with the next statement in sequence. And right now we're gonna see a short example. So we are gonna go to new and we are gonna create a folder, so just name it test, and we're gonna right click and open in terminal. Okay, so we're gonna type in code space that so we can open it with Visual Studio Code. Okay, welcome, and we are gonna name it the do while test, like that, the do while test that Java. Okay, and pretty much just is a do while repetition statement. So we have a public class name, pretty much is gonna be the do while test, so it has to be the name of the file. Okay, so in the inside of the curly braces we are gonna have in the public, so it's gonna be this one, the public static void main strings argument. Okay, and now we're gonna have this variable named counter, and it's gonna be of type integer, so it's gonna be int, let me see, we can do it like this, it's gonna be integer counter, and this is gonna be initialized to 1. Okay, and now we're gonna do the do statement, so we're gonna have the do, and then we're gonna, okay, so to the next line or in the same line we can open the curly braces. I'm gonna do it to the next line, so inside of the curly braces we are gonna have the System.out.println format, so instead of a len it's gonna be f, so the print format, and we are gonna have 2 arguments, so inside of the double quotes this string we are gonna have the format specifier, so %sign lowercase letter d, this is a placeholder for an integer, so the lowercase letter d stands for integer and target. Okay, we're gonna have a space, and now we're gonna separate it with a comma, and then we are gonna have the variable, so the variable in this case is counter, and yeah, we can do that, and then we're gonna have the prefix. Okay, the prefix increment, okay, is gonna be the counter. Again, we ended up with a semicolon, this is statement, so we have the do up to this case, so after the curly brace, after the closing curly brace, we are gonna have the while, so we have the do while. Okay, so let me see, counter. Okay, if I do, let me see, if I do this, just, I mean, we're gonna have an error, so let me see, while 11. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so we're gonna have the while here, the while we are gonna have inside of the parentheses of the while we are gonna have the condition, so as long as the variable counter is less than or equal to 10, okay, then we end up here. Okay, so here we end the do while, so this is the end of the do while. So here, let me see, we can put it like that, do while, okay, like that, and the end like that. So this is the do while, and let me see, okay, so yeah, it prints from 1 to all the way to 10, that's fine. And yeah, we can do, I don't know, yeah, we can do up to 100, so let me see, and as you can see it's working. So let me see, a counter, so it starts on 99. You can play around with these values. see we initialize it to 0 as well, so we have that.